Hello, you're welcome to AppFix and In. My name is Daniel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make original sound on TikTok. So you want to make your own original sound on TikTok? This video is actually for you. So right here is the home page of my TikTok app. Now the next step you need to take here is to make sure you really have the video on your device. You can actually use any editing app to edit it. You can use your CapCut to edit the video and add the sound to the video. Then come right here and click on the plus button. So when you click on the plus button, click on the gallery section like this and select the video you've actually edited. So you don't need to add the sound using your TikTok app. What you need to do next is to go ahead and click on the next button at the bottom of the screen. So when you do that, the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on this place so you can see everyone can view this post. Change it to only you. So when you change it to only you, go ahead and post this. So once it is posted, go to your profile like this, refresh your profile. So when you refresh your profile, go ahead and click on the lock button right here in order to see your private video. Then go to the video. So right here, clicking on the sound like this, you can see that it is showing the original sound right here. You can click on the edit button and add a title to it. You can name it My Sound like this and click on the save button. So going back right here, click on the three dots icon on this video. Then scroll at the bottom like this and click on privacy settings. So when you do that, looking here, you can see where it says everyone. You need to go ahead and switch it to everyone like this. So when you do that, refreshing your TikTok profile like this, it is now going to be shown as a public video. So you can click on it. Now clicking on the sound, you can see that it is now My Sound. So this is how you can actually make original sound on TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.